my name is Mary Kate and I work at the Palo Heights Public Library. Today I'm going to be telling you about a couple new books I think you guys might want to read. If you have ever read the book, Giraffe is Too Tall for This Book, well, the animal friends are back in action with the book. Giraffe's book is missing a story by D.K. Ryland. When giraffe, elephant, cheetah, snake, flamingo, and mouse want to read a story, they realize that the book has blank pages. Well, they begin to create their own story about a mouse explorer. Each animal adds their own twists and turns to the story and even asks the readers, you guys, to get involved in the story. It's a lot of fun and you get to become a part of the story. The next book is called Nellie's Big Splash. When sea turtle Nellie and her siblings hatch on the beach, her siblings race towards the ocean. But Nellie hesitates. She fears the loud, big blue ocean and stays on the beach. Can Nellie get over her fears of the unknown and the ocean to join her siblings in the new world that awaits her? Thank you so much for listening to me share these new books with you guys. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day and be sure to stop by the library to see these books and other new books we have.